Okay, hello students, welcome my YouTube channel. So today I will discuss the divergence of a vector field. Divergence of a vector field. So in previous video lecture, first of all, what we learn. So in previous video lecture, I have already discussed about the gradient. How can find out the gradient and what is the derivative of vector value function. Suppose any function that is position is given to find out the velocity vector and acceleration vector. That is, velocity vector is the first derivative of the position and acceleration is the velocity second derivative of the position vector, right? So simply, and gradient when del operator is operate the any scalar function, and this scalar functions change it turns in a vector field. That means you can say the gradient turns a scalar field into vector field. Clear? The scalar gradient turns a scalar field into vector field. Okay, so now I am talking about the divergence. What is divergence? So everybody you know the convergence and divergence of the lens in optics. So here the divergence, it means the divergence is related to the electric field or magnetic field or any vector field. So simply everybody you know कि vector field is a quantity, a vector is a quantity that has magnitude and a certain direction, right? So simply suppose vector are used in the electric field, magnetic field, velocity vector, pressure vector and many more other physical phenomena. So vector field is a function that assign a vector. Vector field is a function that assign a vector to every point in a space. Suppose here just like as a wire, right? Just here wire. So plus q coulomb charge are uniformly distributed. So what is the direction of electric field? So here draw to the tangential line. So this line is known as the direction of electric field vector. This is simply to draw the area vector, electric field vector, magnetic field vector, etc. So what is the divergence? So divergence is simply कि divergence if del operator is applied to the vector field, the vector field changes to scalar field, right? Vector field changes to scalar field. So simply that is gradient is clear कि gradient turns a scalar field into vector field and divergence turns a vector field into scalar field. Vector field into scalar field. So suppose कि here function f equal to p q r, right? So divergence of f equal to this function, divergence of vector field f equal to, suppose f is the vector field, f is vector field pqr, right? pqr is the derivative, pqr is the variables. So the divergence of vector field is defined as the partial derivatives of p with respect to x, partial derivative of q with respect to y, and partial derivatives are r with respect to z. So you can write, we construct the divergence del dot f. So divergence is constructed just like as a dot product, right? So here partial derivatives del p upon del q, del x, del q upon del y plus del r upon del z. So simply this function differentiate with respect to x, this function differentiate with respect to y, this function differentiate with respect to z. That means कि partial derivative of p with respect to x plus the partial derivatives of q with respect to y plus partial derivative of r with respect to Z. So simply you can say the divergence of a vector field is constructed just like as a dot product, just like A dot B. So here del dot F. F is a vector field. So suppose this is the surface, any surface. Another way you can, one thing is, suppose this is the function, right? That is total volume of this d tau. Here let us take the here one element at a point P, okay, at a point P, right? Here surface, yes. Let us take a very small surface, very small surface to draw the surface, to draw the area vector. Suppose area vector is this, area vector. dA is area vector, या ds या dA, right? dA is the area vector, and here A is the vector field. A is a vector field, dA is the area vector, right? dA is the area vector. तो वी नो दैट, आप लोग पढ़ा है कि गॉस डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम. तो गॉस डाइवर्जेंस हियर डेल डॉट ई इक्वल टू रो अपॉन एप्सिलॉन नॉट. हियर रो इज द charge density, volume charge density, epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space, E is the electric field, and del is the del operator, right? Del operator. So here to calculate the electric flux of this, right? dA is the area element, या area vector, A is the electric field. So divergence of A, yeah, this equal to, right, A dot dA close integral upon d tau limit delta tau tending to 0, right? Delta tau tending to 0. So this term is known as divergence. Divergence. It means कि suppose we have take to any small area element, उसको बहुत छोटा करिए, that is very, here d tau is very small, d tau is very small. It means कि volume element is very small taking to this surface, so that is known as divergence. Okay, divergence. Limit delta t tending to 0, A dA upon d tau. You can construct, right, design the divergence to simply कि del dot A, देखिए both is the vector field, vector function, not is a scalar, both is vector function. तो here I del y del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z. Here A is vector. अब you can say A equal to, A vector equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, az k cap. Right here, so ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay, here dot product. So here I dot I equal to 1. It means कि del ax upon ax, I dot j equal to 0, I dot k equal to 0. Okay, so j dot I equal to 0, j dot j equal to 1. So del ay upon del y plus j dot k equal to 0 plus here k dot k equal to 1. So del z del az, sorry, del az upon del z. अब this field is scalar field, this is scalar and this is vector. You note down कि I dot I, j dot j, k dot k equal to 1, right? I dot j, j dot I, k dot I, right, etc. equal to 0. right? So here divergence of vector field del ax upon del x, del ay upon del y, del az upon del z. So it is clear कि divergence, that means कि divergence change a scalar vector field into scalar field. Okay, scalar field. अब सपोज इफ डाइवर्जेंस ए इक्वल टू जीरो, दैट मीन्स देन वेक्टर ए इज ए सोलिनॉइडल वेक्टर. ए वेक्टर इज सोलिनॉइडल वेक्टर. वेक्टर ए इज सोलिनॉइडल वेक्टर, राइट? इफ डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ ए इक्वल टू पॉजिटिव, right, the source field if divergence a equal to negative, that is sink field, right? Sink field. Okay, you can note down some formula. मैं आगे भी डिस्कस करूंगा जब न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे. बट हियर डाइवर्जेंस, ओके, फाई ए, हियर फाई इज द स्केलर एंड ए इज द वेक्टर. फाई इज द स्केलर, ए इज द वेक्टर. तो सिंपली फाई, राइट, फाई डाइवर्जेंस ए प्लस ग्रेड फाई डॉट ए. इसको ऐसे लिख लीजिए, फाई ए इक्वल टू फाई डाइवर्जेंस डॉट ए इक्वल टू ग्रेड फाई डॉट. ओके, हियर फाई इज द स्केलर एंड ए इज वेक्टर. फाई इज स्केलर वैल्यू, स्केलर फंक्शन, and a vector function, okay, is vector function, right? Okay, next lecture में I will discuss the next lecture in the curl of a vector field. तो simply curl of a vector field. तो curl of a vector field कि when del operator is operate to a vector field, then this vector field is changed to another vector field. Thank you.